It's a drill time. We have a drill today because today is embarkation, so all the passengers are coming new on board. So we have a drill for the guests and also for me. Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel, Maruti Suzuki. Today is the first day that we start the cruising. So we have a 7 days cruise. So we are in Palma. You can see that we already celebrate. What's the time now? Around 10 o'clock. So we sail. So I saw somebody here making pogolong. This guy is making pogolong here. Pogolong means nothing to do. Okay? Nothing to do, only playing with mobile. Hi, I'm back in my cabin. Yeah, so today we will finish the video because we have tomorrow one more day coming. So today is the first day of cruising and then tomorrow is the second day. So we have a 7 days cruise. I will show you 7 days what I do every day, the routine. Yes, so it's time to sleep. Oh, before we go to sleep, so happy new year. Today is a happy new year. Happy new year. Good morning everyone. So it's begin now, day second. Let's start.
संतोष पाव्या आम्ही संतोष पाव्या नो व्यास या जीवाना.
Yes, waiting for elevator. Okay, finally. As you can see that I have to go now deck 10. Because in deck 10 we have office, chef office. So we have to go when we go first duty. So we have to report in our chef office. So alright, we are already in the galley. So I went to the office and then I collect some paperwork. So I have to do something today. I have to check the guidelines. Because the steakhouse, because we have a one steakhouse restaurant, so we have to check. I'm also in charge for this one. Yeah, I have to drink early morning coffee because I want coffee. Because when I drink coffee, I feel like I'm fresh. So this is my daily morning coffee. You can see that. Oh, very nice. We are already at sea. This is the second day. Oh, wow, nice view. Yes, see, this is the Roshni restaurant. This is a fine dining restaurant. So tonight we are almost full, almost 60 guests. Today is the Easter, so that means we are really busy tonight. So we have lots of to do, but I will show you only the few things. Only few things I will show you. Okay, see you then. Yeah. Yes, we have a galley tour now. So here is Heyman. Hi Heyman.
Hello.
So we have a galley tour. We have 9 guests. All right. This is for the, if you want to go in the galley kitchen, so they have to wear this one because this is, they are not non-food people, so they have to wear this. Welcome to galley tour. Yeah, this is only the video here. We cannot make a video inside because it's hygiene and then we have to follow the rules. Yeah, so we can make video outside. If you want to make it in a restaurant, you can make video outside. Yeah, you same like me. Yes, okay, yeah. So we will start in the deck 3, deck 10. Sorry, deck 9 and deck 9. Sorry, deck 10, and then we come back in 11. Okay, so I will show you in the provision where we eat in a crew mess, everything. Okay, so yes, tomorrow we have a special function, Rossini Ama Andros. It's already full, Alex. It's still plenty space. If you want to join tomorrow, it's very nice. First, we will start in any time with a canapé with champagne, super lega. Yeah, yes, and then after this, we will come in Rossini. Okay, let's go. Yeah. Yes, we are back. We are back to galley tour. So, thank you very much, all everyone. See you again. Yeah, thank you. Super. This was second kitchen tour, 11 o'clock.
No, not this one. This one, the welcome one better. Okay. But no, I can take it. Yeah. I can take it tonight. Yes, sir.
Plenty chocolate. No? Which one you like? Milka?
Welcome.
Milka? No, much better Milka. Chocolate खाता है chocolate. हाँ क्या कौन है chocolate इसीलिए. Vlog चला तो vlog करेगा. Happy Easter. Happy Easter. Yes, double order, yeah. How many guests do we have? 45. What do you make now? Birthday. Yeah, and also, what is that? If you want to put some chocolate, you can put also chocolates. I have a chocolate inside. Yeah. Today double order, then after tomorrow is loading.
Berapa kali ya? Kari?
Huh? Curry? Which curry?
Berapa kali? Itu ada ini.
This order.
Apa itu semuanya ya? Ada silver onion.
Onion.
Silver onion.
Slow onion you can order also. I think it's one can.
One can.
Yeah, one can. You can order.
How many?
Huh?
How many pieces was it? Only two, no?
Make it 2, yeah.
Slanting, no?
Yeah.
Stand up.
Yes. Okay. Yes.
We don't have any pastinache. So we make celery. You know, pastinache video. That celery is possible.
What do you make?
Tomato.
Cherry tomato. Wow. Krishna, how many you make lava cake? Plenty? Enough for the kids? Ah, okay. Ah, this is for lava cake, yeah? Really?
I don't know. We can spray oil. Give it oil. Ready?
I don't know.
Keep lagging.
What time open?
Check.
Huh?
Check.
Wait, I will check. Are you sure? Huh?
I don't know because
I will check the email. Okay, I wait. It's on 9th, yeah? But I saw yesterday it's open 6:30.
There's the itself that is 17:10.
Right, sir. Yeah.
Yeah.
Steakhouse open 7:30 and 6:30.
Yes.
Eh?
1930.
This is sushi. Okay, fine. 5:30. Yeah.
5:30.
Yeah, 5:30. Ready?
Okay.
Dale.
Dale.
Jangan kau bilang jangan apa nak
Kona?
Jangan.
तू start कर रहा है तेंगा नहीं आप ना कर. Don't wait them. Yeah, start man. Otherwise they will put the finger.
Glass.
How many booking? I don't know. How many?
59. 59.
How many booking
All
we have?
together?
Yeah, they said 59.
59?
Yeah.
Ay. How many we have?
59.
59?
Yeah.
Okay, so we have in Rossini 45.
45?
45.
Yeah.
So I have to make now order. This is the crunch time. We call crunch time order. So I'm starting now crunch time. See. Oh wow, super.
Siya martin.
ऐसे हम इतने आगे चलना ऐसे है ना
10%.
पर हैं
अब तो टेस्ट मत लगाए समझ जाए.
चलना दे तेरा शेफ है तो
यो मैं कौन?
Sit.
5.5 होता है.
Martin.
आते थिंक सकल क्रू में ऐसा है आजकल
This one.
Saya motor.
ऐसा है
Service.
How many compressors?
ए हमें निकाल दे
Can you tell me now, please? Are you sure? Like you will say me, I need more.
स्टूडेंट्स का
Are you sure? Double check, please.
ओके I need 9 guys kids so we are together with the starter
No, no.
together with the starter okay This is clear? This is clear? No. Everyone, yeah. Together with the starter, right?
It's Urrak time with DNT. Let's party!
Lattustikas, Kazulia, Chirash, Kalis Kushal Satagiwan Fogat Sovas.
March to May. Urrak coming your way. It's summertime. Season time to sway.
Lattustikas, Kazulia, Chirash, Kalis Kushal Satagiwan Fogat Sovas. Payana Madon Katta Aminira.
लड़का Yes, we are here now in a Best Burger. So Best Burger it's closed now. We will open at 12 o'clock. So I can show you. This is the sitting in a Best Burger. This is the galley. We make a live show Best Burger. We have 3 guys here. They are handling, and then we have also here pool deck. You can see pool deck. So some guests are there. Yes. So, yeah. There's also the swimming pool. Yeah. Yes, we are on the port now. We are already on the port. So this is the container. All the containers. Yes. This is container port. Oh wow, we have a mountain. Nice view. Wow. Looks beautiful. Hi, this is Mario. Yes, tonight we have one table with full of decorations. We have a birthday today, so I will show you how we decorate the table. Hi. I'm going to sushi. Sushi, how many guests do we have? 25?
25.
Okay. Full house, today? Yeah, today we are full house in sushi. This is the sushi. and sushi master. He's preparing for sushi tonight. So you can see he's from Philippines. Yeah. So you want to say something?
Hi, how are you guys? Shout out all over the world. Thank you.
देखने के लिए आएगा वो लोग.
वो खाते उधर रहते
एक काम करते हैं, जोएल को बोल थोड़ा ये फ्रूट कविंग लाने के लिए. पूरा नंगा दिख रहा है.
खाली दिख रहा है.
हाँ
खाली दिख रहा है.
Joel is coming now. We will bring the ice carving back 9. Come on, come on.
तुई मोजो मोको कुत्ता की तक लॉजे ताई सांगोक लॉजे ताई 24 वरा मोजा मोतीन अस्ताय पिरशे नोद्रेन माका पोयताय तोरी अस्ताना तू सांगोक लॉजे ताय मोजो संसार वो गुला रत्तो सूर्य उदेला तुका मजच करून पोय मजच करून ये काळी जाशेला काळजंदार ये उघडला तुझ्या जबाबाक रावला तुका मजच करून.
Ah, Joel is here with ice carving.
रोज मुळमुळ असवे आणि फोन अजून झाला ना मामा तू माग जाई तू असला का म्हणता केस पॉलिसी आले कडे
आणि कॅश गेलो स्टारू
सगळं बस इस्पतले थर्सडे दिल्ली से कौन है ताई
कौन है ताई
किस पर वीडियो कभी गाना था
वीडियो करना चल कौन है ताई मटो हाँ कौन है पा है टाइम बिता लो
ओ लोग का फोन
टाइम बिता लो चल
टाइम साथ चले
हाँ 7 झाले इन टाइम बिता लो इन टाइम 4 झाले किती गो
वॉच ना काय म्हणता
वॉच राहू का ते वॉच आणि मागे ती मी आहे
क्लेम बंद मध्ये कामा दोन
होय गो घरा कोण आहे ती
घरा का तू किती एग्जाम भरगी आणि सासमाई आणि माय हा
हां आणि ना चल माई कोता शाना होय था
चल बरं
हां बरं को ना चल कॅबिना बेजार आहे दिसतं एक रील करताना गायलें रील कोण CID हेटालो आनी कितें करतलो बेजार येता एकलो आसना कॅबिना. Hi guys, thank you very much for my watching short film or movie or video. I was sick 3 days, so I cannot make 3 days shooting. I was in a cabin, so I want to make end here. Please watch my short film and share it. Give me some love. Thank you very much. देव बरें करूं सगल्यांक. म्हजें पिक्चर पळयतल्यांक धाकलेंशें काडलें 7 दीस काटो मारलो पूण 3 दीस बरो ना जालो. 3 दीस कॅबिनाक सो सोजमोता हांव थिंगा कवर करता तें आनी अपलोड करता व्हिडिओ ओ शॉर्ट फिल्म. देव बरें करूं तुमकां सगल्यांक.